Welcome to Hoima City, Uganda's oil-rich hub, in the heart of Bunyoro sub-region where a monumental transformation is taking shape. Introducing the Hoima City Stadium, also known as the Fufa Rujumba Stadium. The Hoima City Stadium, also known as Fufa Rujumba Stadium, set to redefine Uganda's sporting landscape and shine on the globe stage as a key venue for the 2027 Africa Cup of Nations. Don't forget to share, comment, like and subscribe on our page. This stadium is located in Bujumba, Mparo Division, and it is valued at approximately 484 billion Ugandan shillings. This beautiful project is a cornerstone in Uganda's preparations to co-host AFCON 2027 alongside Kenya and Tanzania. It's on record that the government has already invested over 152 billion Ugandan shillings. And the goal is to deliver a world-class facility by December 2025 to favor the test events and CAF inspections. So this stadium is a 20,000-seater marvel featuring a main all-seater stadium for thrilling football matches and athletic events. As you can see, the chairs are all branded in bold colors that bring out our nation values. Don't forget to share, comment, like and subscribe on our page. We will continue to share, deliver such beautiful artwork and stories to you on time. So work is in progress, but I'll be able to show you that our seats are also embodied in our colors, our national pride, and that's black, yellow and red. You can see they're all scattered and positioned so well to give people space to stretch and to move for easy movements. So this section right here is the VIP section. Anyone that falls in the category of VIP, anyone that buys the VIP ticket, they'll have access to this section. It is made different with convenience to favor each one that falls in the VIP category. Don't forget to share, comment, like and subscribe on our page. So this is the outside view of Hoima Stadium. You could see preservation of nature. They're trying to plant plant grass, to have the place all green and have everything set to favor the test games that are going to happen after December. So you could see the view, work is underway, and men are all busy. But that's not all. The stadium has an outside space that is catering for a multi-sports arena that is going to favor basketball, netball, volleyball, and also boxing. And guess what? There's also a swimming part on this stadium. Let me take you there. So this right here is our swimming pool. It is made to standard, the right measurements, the depth, the width, they're all put to standard to favor the swimming games that we'll host. So in our next video, we'll have a showcase of our basketball court, our netball court in our next video. So we'll also show you our parking lot that is set to host about 1,000 cars. So in our next video, we'll have to show you all that. Keep on, like, share, subscribe, and comment